Hello everyone and welcome to, this is Sunday, April 23rd, 2023. We're here with Max Eckelberger and we are doing another video on exploding golf balls. This is a brand new box of 4 we just ordered. It came already and Max has one teed up right here.
Woo!
And he's gonna show you how it's done. We did a video yesterday too, by the way, but this is a new batch of balls, and this is one of my clubs Max has never hit with before, so we'll see. I think it'll be fine.
Okay, so it might be hard because I haven't used this club.
Don't mind the chicken. Ooh, that was a real good one. Now let's check the aftermath. Yeah, that one really busted up good. And the tee didn't break.
I tried not to break.
You did good. We're gonna do some golfing. You gonna hit again?
Yeah,
Thanks for watching.